Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my Aura Estelle A5 wide. I am using a kit from Sticky Essentials and I am planning my birthday week. So I will be turning 32 on Sunday. We will be having a birthday sale in the shop. We'll do 32% off and also the foil bundle subscriptions that were on Cratejoy will now be available on our website. So I'm really excited for that. Those will go up tomorrow and they will stay up through, I want to say the 8th, I want to say. So yeah, I am using this kit like I said, and then I'm also pulling in just a bunch of our foiled functional items. This is my second attempt at kind of doing like overlay type stuff, like layering, that's what I meant to say, layering type things. I think it worked out a lot better for me this time. I've been releasing layering items for the past couple of $2 Tuesdays now, so I had a little bit more to work with. Also, I adore this kit from Sticky Essentials. I wanted to use something just kind of bright and fun for my birthday. I didn't have a birthday kit. I'm not big on using specific kits for like specific things. I know that's a little bit odd, but I never have it planned far enough in advance. Like I don't sit down and think, okay, my birthday's coming up, I want to use a birthday kit. If I had one in the shop, I would have used it, but I don't. So I decided to go with this one instead, but I did do a little something on the day of my birthday, some kind of like, did a little cake with candles, a little foil icon, and yeah, you guys will see. So today is Wednesday. I am filming this video a bit late. Things with the shop have been busy and I just decided to kind of push this back until I had time. That is another reason that I'm doing a voiceover, just so that I can kind of speed up this process. So I am waiting on a toner delivery as well as a foil delivery and a paper delivery. They should be here later today though. Everything is in the process of being delivered. It's all on a truck. So I had a little bit of time this morning, so I decided to go ahead and sit down and film this video. So you guys can see I have got my spread down. I decided to do a workout tracker and then for my weekly tracker, or my weekly, what is that, weekly checklist, I decided to do a dinners icon. If you missed the vlog this week, Colby and I are doing plant-based currently, so I wanted to have somewhere to write down what we were doing for dinner. It's going really well. I think Colby is liking it more than he thought that he would. And yeah, so I will continue to vlog a little bit about that. I don't think I have any vlog footage so far for this week, so if there's anything that you guys would kind of like to see, shop stuff or just personal life stuff, you guys let me know in the comments below. I'm getting back to a point where I don't know what to film for the vlogs. I do think I'm going to attempt to do another cooking with Colby video. I filmed one and you guys never saw it because it was a mess. I really need multiple cameras, I feel like, in order to do that so that you guys can see what's going on. But I do think we're going to attempt to do that again. So I will hopefully be able to do that sometime this week. It's kind of a weird week, but I am going to be going into work here in just a minute, and we're going to be finishing up last week's $2 Tuesday. I wanted those done on Monday, and we ran out of toner, and I needed to have it sent through Amazon. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's probably going to be a very late work night because it is currently 11:30 in the afternoon, and I've not gone yet because it's not there yet. So yeah, on Monday you guys can see I did a layering piece and wrote in design day. I thought that looked super cute. And then down at the bottom, I ended up using one of the Tubo checklists. These were another $2 Tuesday item, and just wrote in listings and newsletter. I used a flag as well as a heart icon and did the little YouTube, so that was for uploading the vlog. And then over on Tuesday, I put in a little thing and just wrote in PR emails. We do have a new PR team, or an influencer team is what I'm calling it, coming. I'm hoping to have their stuff done by Friday so that we can have all of that go up. We've got 4 new members on the team, so I'm super excited to announce the new members and show you guys the new freebies, but we are working on them now. I am not positive that that's going to be finished by Friday because there's a lot of like back and forth with getting those designed. On Tuesday, I also did this clean script with one of these layering boxes with a half box and an icon, and I adore how that turned out. I think that looks super cute. And then down at the bottom, I wrote in paper and ink order. I want to go ahead and get that going because everything is taking forever as far as UPS, USPS, everything. So I want to go ahead and not be in this position again, even though I feel like every time that I order early, it still doesn't show up on time. So there's that. And then over on Wednesday, which is today, I did a full box up top with an Aussie icon. These are hand-drawn by BeanSproutPaperCo. And I just did vet appointment at 9:30. He needed to go in and get a heartworm test, and he's back now. So he's very upset, but he's back. And then down at the bottom, I just put in package orders and did some things, finalized designs, and then at the very bottom, BCBS, which is my health insurance, that came out today. So for Thursday, I did a whole pretty section for bills because all of the bills are due tomorrow. And I think that turned out really cute. And then here I am turning on a vlog to kind of listen to in the background. I am listening to Rachel at Sticky Situations Co., I believe is her shop name. Hang on one second. Yeah, her YouTube channel is called Rachel Denise. So I was just listening to her in the background. And then at the bottom on Thursday, you can see I used another one of the bow checklist. I did cut a bow off and I put it at the top over on the bills section. I thought that looked super cute and just wrote in listings, newsletter, upload, and then sub spots open down at the bottom. Then on Friday, I did a quarter box and then did new release and birthday sale. And then down at the bottom, you guys can see I did some more layering stuff with package orders. And then at the very bottom, Mario Kart. And then for Saturday morning, I did a sleep-in sticker. I adore these pajama icons, or they're not even icons because they're huge, but I love these. These were last week's $2 Tuesday. And I did just kind of a big layering set up top. What do you guys think? Am I doing it right now? I like how it looks a lot better, so I think I'm doing a good job. And then at the bottom of Saturday, I did another cleaning section. And then for Sunday, I ended up putting in Design Day because I completely forgot it was my birthday until I got to the bottom. And I'm not really doing anything. Colby will be at work. Sorry, Ozzy started barking. I'm actually going to go into work for a little bit because of how this week has been. So I'm going to have, like, Mom and Mike are probably going to get me, like, you know, a cake or something. So that's going to be the extent of it. And then Colby and I are going to cook, like, one of my favorite meals. But I'm not going to be seeing anybody else, which is kind of sad because Rowan and I's birthdays fall within the same couple of weeks. So we normally do, like, a joint birthday thing. But, you know, it's 2021, but it's essentially still 2020, so, yeah, so it's kind of sad, but at the same time, there's bigger things going on than, you know, me not getting to see anybody for my birthday other than the people that I see every day. But also, I'm not a person who thinks my birthday is, like, a big deal, so it's okay. Yeah, but this is pretty much the end of my spread. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Let me know how I did with layering in the comments. Did I do a better job? I feel like I did a better job. And also thank you for all the recommendations on the channels that you guys gave in the last vlog or the last video that I put up. That was super helpful. I was able to go and watch some more people do some layering. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.